Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a customized home page in your online store using Pagefly Page Builder app. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So like I said, I'm using Pagefly Page Builder app. I had downloaded this from Shopify App Store. You can just search the app in the App Store and you can see their installation page like this. So this page contains some overviews and some key points of this particular app. And also they provide some free plans in the pricing. So I recommend you to start with the free plan so that you can just explore more and you can just upgrade to their paid plans like if this is fits and beneficial for your online store. So if everything is okay, you can just hit on install button and this app will reflect in the app section of your admin panel. So you can just click on the Pagefly app to expand its dashboard. Let's focus on the pages for now since we are creating a home page. So click on create from template. And this is the way you can see all the pages you have created. All the pages will be listed on in this page. So click on home page. And this is their editor page where we can customize each element of our home page. So go to the elements and you can see different elements over here. And this is a simply a drag and drop process. So let's have a heading block first. So I'm just giving a heading block and I'm choosing the first layout and you can change the text to anything. Let's go with welcome and you can just give some welcome style and let's say I will change the font size and colors and also like this. So I'm just adding much more bigger font size and you can just give some background color also. So let's go with the gray color for now. And if you want to delete any elements, just click on the element and click on the trash icon. Then this element will be automatically deleted. And let's keep this as bold. And no, this I'm not planning to have the italic version. So let's go with this only. And you can just give the content color to be changed also. So let's go with some other darker version of brown. And next I can choose some paragraph like this just below the heading block, and I'm changing the content color to this. And you can also have the spacing and all like this. I'm just giving the font size as a 20 pixels, and I'm just giving an italic version of this, and I'm just changing the background color to, let's see what will work more. yeah mm, let's go with some lighter version. Yeah, and let's add some button element next, and let's change our font size so much more bigger. Let's keep this as bold, and background color let it be like this. And let's change the content color from white. Let's go with the kind of okay. And next let's have some timer or countdown element. Yeah, so let's keep this here and let's reduce this font size. And Yeah, background color. Let's change to some other color of a lighter version. Yeah, not the white, but a grayish kind of color. And next, let's have some uh divider block. Then I'm just placing over here, and let's drag some other, maybe the list or content. Let's add some content list now. So I'm just planning to have this. Yeah. Now I can just add the images. So click on this and you can just select the image. I'm just roughly selecting, randomly selecting the same image. If it is already added image, you can see the added image over here. Otherwise, you can add it from the add image button and you can browse from your system. Yeah. So this is done. And finally, let's have some image block or image element. So, mm, yeah. So I'm just clicking on this and selecting the image. Image ratio also you can just change to any other one as per your store's theme. Opacity I'm changing, and I'm just having some ratio of 21 is to 9 that this is fit. So after all the details added, so I just have created some layouts. So for you to add the genuine datas, you can add as per your uh, stores, contents, and themes and all. So after this, just save it and you can just let's have some meaningful title and save it. So after saving, just go to publish this and you can see now it's published. Now let's test this up in our online. So this is my store. So let's see how this looks like in our store. So see you can the heading and the paragraph, button one, timer clock, and the images, content details, everything is showing up here. So I just have created a randomly with some random data. So you can just add the genuine details as per your stores contents and all. So you can see the home which I have created the recently as listed here, the status and all you can see. So that's how simply you can create each element in a home page using the Pagefly page builder app. So if this beneficial for you and if this helpful, you can just share this to your friends and try this out in your online store.